Sure guys, welcome to another gardening video on my channel. My name is Spunks. You know what it is, guys. So amidst the coronavirus, I thought that it would be a good video to come up with 7 crops that you can grow, number 1, year round, and that number 2 are fast growing crops. Yeah, so some of the crops that I've chosen, some of them you can grow year round, and others you need the spring and the summer. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope it's helpful. I think if you were thinking that, yeah, I want to grow stuff now and I want to be more self-sufficient, but I don't think I have time, I think this will be really helpful, and I hope it is helpful. And I hope you enjoy it. I hope you smile while you're watching it. And it kind of takes away from what's going around in the world. And yeah guys, let's get into it. Okay, so the first one, we have baby spinach. I think the variety is called Dash. I could be mistaken, but yeah, I think that's what was written. So yeah, we have baby spinach. This grows really quickly. Right now my plants are seeding, so I cut them just to stop the seeding and let them grow back again. But this one at least survived, so I have something to show you. So yeah, baby spinach actually grows between 35 and 45 days, so 5 weeks in. So just summarized in weeks would be 5 weeks. Yeah, so for me, this is the first time that I've actually grown baby spinach, and it's done really well. Like, if in the beginning of the season it really flooded this whole area, with baby spinach, and I just loved it. So for me, I think this is definitely one that's easy to grow and very fast to grow as well. So I would definitely recommend baby spinach Dash. Alright, not to be confused with brown dash, you know what it is. Yeah guys, so baby spinach, and then right next to it we have just a normal spinach. I think this is called fish hook spinach. We have this spinach. This spinach is also, it grows fast. Okay, so yeah, we have fish hook, and then here we have bright lights. We have the bright lights here, and these ones grow also very quickly. They grow um, both the fish hook and the bright lights grow within 40 to 60 days, which is 5 to 8 weeks. Yeah guys, the fish hook and the bright lights and the baby dash grow year round, so you can grow it whenever. Summer, spring, winter, autumn, you can grow it whenever. So yeah man, I think the only thing with the baby dash would be that it seeds quickly, so you need to jump on that a bit quicker. But yeah man, I would definitely recommend all the spinaches. Any spinach that you can get, I would definitely recommend. But the baby spinach, number 1. So the baby dash, it takes 7 to 14 days to germinate, and then the fish hook and the bright lights take 10 to 14 days. Okay, so and then number 2 crop or vegetable that I would suggest a lot that I would suggest is cucumber. Now for me, cucumber is one of my favorite vegetables or crops to grow, because it's always the first crops to pop up. It's always the first to germinate, and it's always the first to actually produce a harvest. So, and it's really easy as well, and it's really easy to grow as well. So cucumber takes 50 to 70 days to grow. Yeah, which is 7 to 9 weeks. The germination takes 7 to 10 days. So yeah man, cucumber definitely on my list. Do it. Oh, and the only issue with cucumber is that it doesn't grow year round. I think it grows in summer and spring, if I'm not mistaken. I think it needs hot weather, so that's one crop that you would definitely, if you were in South Africa, you won't be able to grow at the moment. But yeah, I think other nations are getting into summer and spring now, so I think that would be a nice crop to grow, and it would be really quick. Okay, and then number three, we have lettuce. The different varieties would be Little Gem, Lola Rosa, and Great Lakes. For me, I grew Great Lakes last season, and for me that just blew up. It blew up. It did the things. It did the magical things, and it's really so easy to grow. I think all of these crops that I've chosen are really easy to grow. So get your children involved, guys. You know, the parents that are don't know what to do with their children. Get your children involved. It's really easy to grow. So lettuce, any lettuce, it takes 50 to 60 days till harvest, and that's about 7 to 8 weeks. It takes 7 to 14 days to germinate. This one year round, so you can do it whenever. South Africans, this is your time to shine. You know, I think with the cold weather, you know, it gets a little bit more crisp, the lettuce. So I think, and they're also probably gonna like the water that's coming from the rain. So I would say definitely lettuce, do the damn things, man. And then we have number 4, which is kale. For me, kale, I enjoy growing it. Number one, I enjoy growing it because it's really easy to grow. But the only problem with kale is that we don't really eat it at home. So you know, there's not really any point to grow it. But I've heard that they make great smoothies and stuff like that, and it has like great nutrients and blah blah blah, you know, those type of things. But you know, kale I grew last season. Again, it took over the garden. It made sure that, hey man, you know where I'm coming from. They grow huge as well, which is a nice thing. So yeah man, kale takes 55 days to harvest. That's 7 weeks, 10 to 14 days to germinate. It's year round. Another one that I love year round. Do the things, guys. Kale, you know, put it in some smoothies. Get the immune system, you know, buzzing. Get it buzzing. For number 5, I know some of you guys are like, oh man, I want some cabbage. I'm gonna want some cabbage. Do this, but it takes so long. I got a plan. I got an idea. Baby cabbage. Grow some baby cabbage, guys. Baby cabbage, I've never grown it. I've tried to grow it this season, but it just never germinated. I don't know what that reason was for. I think maybe I just didn't look after it as much as I needed to. It's ready to harvest between 55 and 90 days. So it's a bit more lengthy, but at least you could be the lucky few that get it in 55 days. That's 7 to 12 weeks. So yeah guys, you know, it's not too long, and with the coronavirus it might be extended, so we never know, you know. Again, cabbage, it takes 7 to 14 days to germinate. And another one, it's year round. You know, I got you guys, come on, you know, year round. And then number 6 on my list is beetroot. Yeah. I know you guys like beetroot. Um, here's some little seedlings that have grown. I grew these like a few days ago, and already they're starting to pop up. So yeah, man, beetroot. I would definitely recommend some beetroot. Beetroot takes 60 to 65 days, which is 8 weeks, and it takes 7 to 14 days to actually germinate. I think this could actually be a lot less, the germination, because I don't even think it's been a week since I planted these, and they're looking so godly greatly already. So yeah man, I think it takes even less. And then these also grow year round, so South Africans, or wherever you entering winter now, you can grow it now and it will still produce for you. So yeah, man, beetroot, definitely grow that. Alright. And then last but not least, definitely not least, we have peas. My favorite again. One of the first crops to pop up as well. This one doesn't grow year round. It needs spring and autumn, so it's not year round. It takes 60 to 120 days to actually get a harvest. That's 8 to 17 weeks, and then it takes 17 to 14 days to actually germinate. But I think that could be a bit of a, it takes probably less to actually start germinating. So yeah, man, peas, definitely one of my favorite. And you can also eat some of the leaves in the peas, like with the pea shoots and stuff. So I would definitely say you could harvest even earlier than other other crop. And yeah, guys, I gave you some year-round crops for my South Africans that are in winter right now. I think winter's coming. As you can see, the weather's not too great. It's very rainy at the moment. So yeah, I gave you some year-round, gave you some spring, summer, some autumn. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys start growing, and I hope that they actually germinate. Get your kids involved, get everybody involved. And yeah, guys, we'll get through this. As we'll get through these times. Yeah, guys, so I hope you enjoyed. Love, peace. Definitely grow something. This is your time. Grow something.